Oh no, Dennis changed.
I swear to God, man, now's not the time. I've seen
Dennis
all.
left us in the big scary mansion, and now I don't know where we
She
are.
left us with Grandma, man.
Yeah,
I don't know where she is.
Yeah, Grandma.
Grandma?
You promised us cookies, Grandma.
No.
What's that
Grandma, you're
noise?
scaring me.
Mom, come get me, I'm scared.
Oh, I scared myself.
Grandma.
Grandma?
Fine, nothing's there. Grandma.
Nothing? My light's off.
Who the fuck's
I
that?
just saw something in
I
that.
think Grandma got some friends over. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Yeah, hold on, man.
Oh,
Scared the shit out of you.
you know what? Oh, I just realised that. You gotta experience it so many times. I just gotta experience it once.
Grandma?
I heard a spider. There's a spider in there.
Excuse me.
Wait, do you see that?
Fucking, what do I say?
There's a key.
Keyhole. Not bad.
Shut up.
Grandma, you promised
Why did
us
our friends
cookies.
make us go here?
Grandma, you promised us cookies. Grandma's house is so fucking creaky.
She needs to get this repaired.
Grandma! Get your stairs!
Shut up, man. Grandma hates loud noises.
Grandma, get your stairs repaired.
Nope. That's what I found this stuff. Ah!
I'm gonna shit my pants.
Bow up.
I saw something. Shouldn't have bought me off the black market then. Right, I'm ready.
What are you talking about? What's this?
Ah, shit!
Power?
You dirty bastard! Oh shit! He's biting!